Hi again. Today I am here with our next Loro Piana unboxing, this time of the men's FLEXY WALK WISH shoe. So very nice, two large Loro Piana dust bags. That's really nice because typically when you get a dust bag this size with Louboutin or Hermes for shoes, you only get one. So to get two really large ones is nice. And extra pair of contrasting colored laces as well. I'll keep these to the side for now. And here's the shoe. So when I went into the store originally, I was not planning on buying shoes, but I tried these on and they were so comfortable. The bottom, the sole is a nice rubber. You see it has some thickness to it. It's grooved and is really well supported. Coming to the top, this is their wool, I believe. Which is really soft, really comfortable. The inside of the shoe is leather, but it's not a really heavy leather. It's fairly light, and I don't feel that it would get too hot. And I feel like the shoe, despite being thicker, does breathe pretty well. These laces are actually for aesthetic purposes. You don't need them to tie up the shoe. As you can see, it doesn't really do much. And if you're interested, there is actually a set of contrasting colored laces here as well, with the brown matching the interior of the shoe, as well as a little accent on the heel. So I will go put these on and be back in a moment. Okay, here I am with the shoes on. As I mentioned, it is merino wool on the top, and I should also add that they are water resistant. So you want to go out in the rain in them, but if you do get them a tiny bit wet, if it's a little bit sprinkling lightly, not a huge deal. The other thing that is interesting is that on the heel, there is space for you to write your name if you wish. That's inspired by some of the sailors in the Mediterranean Sea. It's one of the, I would say, distinctive features of Loro Piana shoes is always having that room on the heel to write the owner's name because of the family's love for sailing. And as I mentioned, these shoes are extremely comfortable. They are lightweight, weighing only 360 grams, and very breathable as well. I'm looking forward to wearing them with the upcoming spring and summer season. In the US, as of April 2023, the 360 men's Wish shoes retail for $925. Right, so a little note on the sizing. These are size 41, standard European sizing. Definitely feel true to size of usually 40.5 to 41, depending on the cut and style of the shoe. So these are definitely true to size. I typically go with 41s, and this is a 41. Feels great, feels perfect. My heel doesn't bounce too much when I'm walking, and definitely feel like it's a good size. Thanks for watching, and as always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.